Right, what I've got here is one of these lovely Yellow Delight kitchen garden tomato seedlings coming up nicely. As you can see, it's stretching out a little bit, getting a little bit leggy, not too bad. And if you look closely, it's got lots of very fine hairs on the stem. So what I'm going to do with this, I'm just going to bury it a bit deeper just to create a little bit more of a deeper, stronger root system. So I've pulled it up gently, or not pulled it up, but teased it out by the leaf. And I'm just going to make a bigger hole for it there, and I'm going to just dip it in there like that, and then snug it in like that. Maybe put a little bit more around it and pop that back in, and then this will grow a lot more robust, not so straggly as it was before. I'm sure many of you have done this before, but if you're new to this, this is a little tip for making sure that your young tomato seedlings come on really strong and have a good root system.